What I'm about to share with you today is highly classified. So if you're not a community member, I'll ask you to leave the room now, for real. Or you could stay, but don't tell me I didn't warn you, because today we will talk about the greatest quest of all time, the Zero Quest. If you missed some episodes or our emails are hanging in your mailbox with all the spams, let me do a quick recap. It all started with this, Zero, the best power bank ever, but you already know it. Zero is our most daring bet. We made it repairable, locally made, and modular. Usually brands launch with a waitlist. You go to the website, you enter your email, you are on the waitlist, the product launch, you subscribe, you buy it, and that's it. Story stops here until you break it and you buy the next version. Zero is different. It's made to last, and the best way to make the reusability and repairability the norm is to build a community. And that's where the Zero Quest comes in play. See it as a real-life multiplayer game where you have quests that are related to Zero. You may think, well, it's just another gamification layer like free labor. In a sense, it could be true, but let's face it, guys. We are a team of 3 people fighting in a market where giants are pushing shitty product every year. And if it's not made by small teams like us, no big company will push products like these to the market. And we need your support. So true, some quests are marketing related, but we make it fun and we make it a win-win. Zero Quest is our community hub. It serves different purposes: onboarding, brainstorming with people, and building close relationship, but also reward our early believers. The principle is that simple. You log in, you have quests. Some quests serve the onboarding process, some quests serve the feature suggestions, brainstorming, etc. Some others are just for fun, and some help us to amplify our message. Every quest completed grants you a number of points. Every 100 points, you climb level. You may ask, what would I get from that? 3 things. First, our eternal gratitude. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Second, rewards during the pre-launch. Some quests will grant you instant access to a reward. It could be a physical product or something symbolic. Third, on D-Day, we will pick up 5 winners that will have exclusive prizes, with the first one being an all-inclusive trip here to Paris to meet us, meet the team, spend a week with us, build your own Zero, and go back home with your Zero. The 4 other winners will all have free Zeros, add-ons, etc. But if you think, oh, with thousands of people taking part, I would never be in the top 5. It's a lot of work for me. Don't give up, because many quests will grant you different rewards, and I'm sure you will like it. Now, let's jump into the platform. When you log in, you land here, your dashboard. In this dashboard, you have the number of points that you currently have, your ranking, your referral link, and the available quests. You can sort them by level of difficulty or type. You accept the quest, very important. Read the content, complete it, and that's it. Some quests, like this one, are literally a one-click process. For example, joining our Discord. Some others will require more work, like suggesting the name of the Zero Mini, a name that I hate. Now, if you're not a playful person, but you want to help, the best way to get points is to use our referral system. You have your referral link just here. You copy that link, share it with the world. When you refer a friend and your friend joins, both of you will get points. And this comes with the multiplier, meaning that you have a multiplier for 3, multiplier for 5, and multiplier for 10, etc. And most importantly, these multipliers comes with rewards. It's the perfect occasion to share Zero with the world while climbing the quest levels. And that also serves as a very good indicator of whether you have good friends or not. And you can track them here in the menu. You can see how many people you invited, who joined, and what your current rank. Oh, the last part, a pro tip, the VIP status. The VIP status, you can get it in 2 ways. A, if you reach the level 5 of the quest. B, if you pay a $1 deposit. Yeah, it's a shortcut. Life isn't fair. This VIP status will get you a 2 times multiplier on all the points that you get, meaning that being a VIP will put you in a very good position to rank at the top. But also, some quests are VIP only, meaning that you can't access them without this status. That's it. If you have any question, drop it in the comment and I will be more than happy to reply. See you. Cheers.